know where I'm gonna come from. Never.
You never know. Yeah. Yeah. Come for anywhere. Be fucking prepared. Hopefully it's loud enough for y'all. Hope so. If not, I'ma just raise the volume for you. It's great. It's great. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna leave my viewers in the dirt. But I do want to say I hope y'all have a good day. Hope y'all having a blessed day. And again, appreciate your support. Like, comment, subscribe. And we gonna keep dropping lit content like this every month. I'm sorry.
Hello there, and welcome to the unbelievable some baboons decide to steal this group's van.
Don't move! Holy cow.
When galloping, ponies are so beautiful and majestic.
Damn! He's a bitch!
I think this llama has
Ow.
had enough of tourists for today.
Oh!
Dang, yeah. That's why I would've spit in it. Yeah, spit on him. Say, get the fuck out of here. Skedaddle. Oh! That's messed up. I don't even know if Buddy can get back up there. Uh-huh. Yeah, raise the window now. I said raise the window. Roll. Out of. Smack that. Oh no, help your boy. Help your boy. Oh, he said what?
Here we see rare footage of an alcoholic bird.
It is 7:55.
She said it
In the
is
morning.
7:55.
It is Friday though.
He tilted that thing up, man. And then he gonna lick it.
Oh.
Better hope you don't get one glass in your mouth.
This cat refuses to let her owner exercise.
Aya, 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 come here. He was about to go to the coochie.
To eat her. Foxy!
Dang. Thank you. I don't be messing with squirrels. You're not too young to get on there.
An Indian guard has no choice but to give up his lunch to this threatening monkey.
He got up like, nigga. Oh, plotting that. See, that's why you can't get cats. He was just trying to hop on the desk with his own. I'll take that back. Those are natural enemies, y'all. Chicken and dogs, natural enemies. Dang. Feel like something about to fly in.
Got me again!
Again? You like that shit?
This chaotic bird seems to be quite pleased with himself.
Good. Yes, sir. I'm strong as hell. He smacked the shit out of old boy. Dang.
Храстик. Не, классный.
This pelican won't let this man eat his lunch.
That is hilarious. He just on top of his head. Like, get off me, bruh. What's wrong with you?
It is so early that I haven't even finished my first coffee yet. And I don't have time for a bath!
Chickens be evil. Oh, he trying to take a bath in that mouth. That is not a bird bath, sir.
there's always that one chicken.
They flying! Who said chickens can't fly? Y'all tripping. The small ones. Dang, he smacked the fuck out of little dude. Yeah, give me my baby. Fuck wrong with you. Cat says, y'all not moving me. I am stone. Cats are evil.
This aggressive llama doesn't seem to like this one guy.
Oh, he's about to take that man's shirt. It's wraps. No, he fighting, bro. Run them hands. Run them hands. Where you going? Don't run. I want you. I want them. I want you. Like, what's the purpose? Oh. That's why you can't fuck with cats.
A bird is recorded instigating a cat fight.
Oh, he said, get it. Get it. Go on. Get him. Go ahead. Yeah. That's that shit. That's that shit. I don't care if you happy. You just smacking my shit. I would have bit that boy. He said, back up. Don't ever touch my baby.
A bull decided to leave the arena and jump into the stands.
Ow.
Luckily,
Did he
no one
dodge
was
him?
injured.
Oh! Leave him alone, little ducky. He like, what are you doing? Nigga!
This pelican doesn't quite know the limits of what he can eat.
I saw this before. You tried to eat this. Like, what? Like, you like, can you just fit the head in? You trying to scoop me? Yeah, give me the toes. Give me the toes.
Wait, get out of there.
This bird is fucking with this cat. Cat don't give a shit though. Oh, evil ass. See? Cats are evil. See, just right. You're like, what the?
Now, who wouldn't want a taste of a gingerbread man that big?
Oh no! I would not want to do that. Get off me, dog. Monkey kick. He just ran up and drop kicked dude. Squirrel about to run off. Oh, you trying to fight? Nope. Give me that. You don't see that bird in the mirror? Give me that. Oh, he pushed the bird off and said, you know what? This is not for you. What is the turtle trying to do? He said, give me the turtle. That's the only damage he could do. Try to headbutt him.
Hatred for Fred.
Seems it, isn't it?
Billy goats are evil too. Just jumping on people's back, kicking them. Ooh, smooth jug. I'm talking about he took. He said, "Thank you. This is for my son. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. This is for my son and myself." Oh, they about to jump, buddy. Oh, don't trip now. They stole the rim off.
This grizzly bear casually walks in the middle of the road while holding up traffic.
Man, I'm gonna drive around in this big ass. He in the middle.
Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time on the Unbelievable.
Okay, that was okay. If y'all like the video, comment, subscribe, ring the bell for sure, cause I need y'all to know the grind not stopping. So don't act like you're not just gonna see my face. Like you just not gonna see my face from now on YouTube. Like, it's raps. I'm on it. But I love y'all. Have a good day. I'm really excited that I'm on YouTube. Like, cause I've been going through it, but I haven't been going through it. But just to chase my dream. But I love y'all. Keep supporting, keep liking, keep commenting, keep subscribing, and don't stop running the like button up. I don't care if you gotta click it, unclick it, click it. I just want to see the likes pop up. That's just me. Just so if y'all want to tickle my fancy, that's how you tickle my fancy. That's how to pop. M to the V, to the V. Miguel Vivid. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Miguel Vivid.